Hi guys, and welcome back to today's video, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can cut out an image super easy on Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and close this image and say no to saving, and then go down and open an image, and it's just going to be an image of Bill Gates that I got off the internet, off Google. So what you're going to want to do is go over to the background image that you've just opened, right click that and click layer from background, and then click OK, which will stop it from being the background layer. And then go ahead down here to this button here and click that for a new layer, and then move the picture of Bill Gates above the layer 1, and then that's literally all you need to do for the starting bit. And then go ahead and come down here and select this tool here, the quick selection tool. If it's not selected for you already, go ahead and right click and you can click whichever you want, quick selection tool or magic wand tool. So I need the quick selection tool. So once you've gone ahead and selected the quick selection tool, all you need to do is go ahead and go over to your image and then literally draw all the way around. Really simple. And then as you get round, as you can see there, it's gone ahead and gone onto his shirt a little bit, and then all you need to do to get rid of that and erase that little bit is hold down Alt, and then go around his shirt really carefully, as close as you can, and then it will bring it back. And then just follow it all the way around Bill Gates' head, all the way down, and then when you come towards the bottom, it has just literally like selected it, half of his body. So what you need to do again is go ahead and hold down Alt, and then like I said, get as close as you can to the edges and it will select it automatically. So bring it all the way down. As you can see, it's outlined around Bill Gates, and then all you need to simply do is click delete, which will then remove the outline, and then you can go ahead and deselect all, and there you have it guys. It's a super easy way to make a PNG image. I did make a video on how to do it for free on Pixlr a couple of videos ago, and it's a lot easier than that. It's a lot more clean, and it's very good for time efficiency. You don't need to use the marquee tool to go around him. It's just a quick selection tool, and it's very clean. Looks really good. So that's literally how you do it guys. If this video did help you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, liking the video, keeping a lookout for more tutorial videos on the channel, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.